friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back everybody to my channel. It's great to see all of you today. Well, I'm hoping I can get through this video. Last couple times I tried, I got bumped off from a phone call and I've got it on Do Not Disturb, so let's get through this video, I hope. Anyways, I hope all of you doing well, that you're staying at home and staying safe. And I know our governor is starting this Friday, which is the 1st of May, letting our retail stores open back up and several other things. But they're going to make it where you can only let 25% of people into the store at one time, you know, that kind of thing. Keep it very, you know, where you are 6 feet apart and so forth. So you're not everybody's going to be in droves in the store because they're not supposed to do that. So, but it's supposed to happen Friday. But anyways, today I did go out and I did wear my mask and my gloves. I don't go anywhere without them. I had to run to Target because I was in need of some toilet paper and some paper towels and some plastic forks and just stuff. So I went there to get that. But then I wanted to run to Walmart because I have a couple of ideas for wreaths that I want to make in the near future. And I wanted to get some greenery for that. So anyways, let me tell you about what I'm planning on doing. I have been trying for days to get an order in on craftoutlet.com. But because of their, you know, they're in Louisiana, as far as I know, their warehouse, they do not have a actual storefront. It's just a warehouse, and so it's just online, and you order and they ship out the stuff to you. And they've been great. They've always been great. I've loved their customer service, everything. But right now, because of the COVID thing, they've only got a portion of their workforce working, and so the orders are coming out slower and stuff because they don't have enough people working. But I've been trying for the last few days to try to get on and place an order, and I understand that they might let me on tonight, or let people on to order tonight, which is Wednesday evening. But we will see if that happens or not. I just have to keep checking back. Like I said, I know our governor is letting stores open on Friday. I don't know what Louisiana's governor is doing, so I don't know how that is working out for them. But I've been trying to get an order in because I had one day out of the blue, I think I had actually been at Dollar Tree, because I went into Dollar Tree once to get some flowers. And of course, the same thing, always the mask and the gloves. And I think I came up with a plan when I was in there. So I have a couple of good ideas for wreaths that I want to make if I can order the stuff from Craft Outlet. But right now, I haven't been able to. I'm hoping that the stuff that I was going to order is still in the cart and that I'll still be able to get it. So we'll see. Cross your fingers. But anyways, let me go on and tell you what I am planning to do with a couple of other wreaths. And what made me think of this, let me start out this way. I think it was on Instagram. I saw a photo of a ribbon that Trendy Tree just recently has in their online store. And I fell in love with the ribbon, and it made me think of a sign that I already had here on hand that I probably got from them last year, year before last, that I've just had sitting in one of my bins. And so anyways, this ribbon is so adorable, and they have some really cute ribbon on their website. But this ribbon is black and white check with a lemon on it and leaves, and oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. So it made me think of this sign that I have, that I got from there, which is this farmer's market lemonade. And of course, won't this be perfect for summer? So I'm planning on making probably a mesh wreath with this. So I did order some mesh from them, that black and white checked ribbon with the lemons on it. And I think it'll work perfect because this part is black, this lemonade is black, so is the farmer's up here. And then of course that's yellow, and the yellow lemonade, and the lemon with a little bit of green, and then this green's kind of almost a limey green, sort of. So I ordered that ribbon. I ordered some other ribbon, believe it or not, some fall ribbon. I ordered some cute fall ribbon from them because it was just too cute to pass up. And I got some mesh. I think two rolls of mesh. One that's 21 inches and the other one's 10 inches. and it's gonna be for this wreath. So I'm planning to use this wreath, and then when I was at Walmart today, I picked up some lemons. So these will go with this. And I'm gonna pick out some ribbon. Well, I got that one ribbon. I probably have some other ribbon here I can use with the mesh I bought. And I can't wait to do it with y'all. So that will be one coming up. So I'll be making one with this sign. And you have to watch, subscribe to them like on Instagram, because they share pictures of like what new products they have. They'll share signs, they'll share like posable animals, you know, stuff like that, you know, like decor, different times of year, pics. I mean, they have all kinds of stuff, but they had these a couple of years ago and I picked this up and I just love it. I also got some Halloween kind of something from them too. Last time, when I ordered that lemonade sign, I got something that was Halloween. I remember that. But anyways, yeah, they always have cute stuff from, you know, when they go to market and stuff. So they always have adorable things. But they have some stuff that's, they're still waiting to come in. But I placed the order today, so as soon as I get it, I'll share it with you. I'm excited, and then we'll be working on that wreath. And I'm excited to work on that. I think it's going to be cute. And then, so anyways, another wreath that I have been thinking about doing is I have this great big grapevine wreath. And this is a great big one. I think it's probably, oh gosh, how far apart is that from one to the other? I don't know, maybe 18? Would that be 18 inches, or does that look bigger? Anyways, it's a big wreath. And since, let me tell you what happened with this. Years ago, you know, I worked for Home Interiors, and I bought this back then. I mean, this has been years ago, probably 2004 or 5 when I was doing Home Interiors. And I had some Christmas on here, but I tore it all apart. And you can see it doesn't have any glue on it or anything because those were zip tied on. Basically, they were magnolias, and some of them were white. Some of them were like more like a maroon color or a burgundy. And then it had other stuff on it and lots of magnolia leaves and stuff. And I just zip tied it to it and made a cute, cute wreath. But it had started falling apart and so forth, so I had to throw it away. But I got to keep this big wreath frame, which, you know, for me, it's getting harder to find these other than at like Hobby Lobby. Because the last time I was at the at-home store, which was quite a while back, I looked for some, but they didn't have any there anymore. And I didn't see any of them at all. And so anyways, I'm gonna use that wreath. And I've got this thing of sunflowers, this bag of sunflowers that I got from Amazon. And they look like this. They're just nice big sunflowers, and they're just, you know, they've been taken off the stem. No stem with them, it's just the tops. And I thought that would look super cute on here to make a wreath. I'm not sure what exactly we're gonna do. If we're just half a wreath, we're gonna do one side of it and put something on it. I'm just not quite sure what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna use these because they're nice and big, and they'll make a big statement on there. And then we'll just decide, you know, at the point when I'm working on it, how we're gonna make it look. And just for, to show you this and kind of what I'm thinking, sort of, I picked out some ribbon that I might use, but I don't want it to look like, I want it to feel sort of like this is for summer because these, you know, these are such bright yellow colors. But my eye is always drawn to, with the sunflowers. So I have this sunflower ribbon, and it doesn't necessarily look like it's fall. It has the yellow on it, and it does have the kind of brown in the middle, and then of course it has a little ivory or whatever. So that ribbon, I'm thinking I might use, I may just totally change my tune when it comes time when I actually do it. And then I have this ribbon, which is just a black and tan check or gingham. And the other ribbon I thought I might use a little bit of is this, which is like the window pane, and it's kind of a cream. So I thought this would be kind of cute, but I don't want it to feel fallish, you know what I mean? I want it to feel kind of, I'm not sure, or I might could just go with the brown and black, you know, just do that simple kind of a bow. So I'm not sure. But anyways, we're gonna work on that at some point, and then I'll decide what ribbon I'm gonna use. But in the meantime, I went to Walmart, same thing with my mask on and my gloves, to pick up some greenery. And so I found this greenery, and it's just green. It has lots of different pieces, so I could pull it out and, you know, put it into the wreath, you know, different pieces of it. And I think that'll look cute with, you know, make that be the backdrop or whatever. And then if I want to add some other color to the wreath, I might. I'm not sure. But so I got these greeneries, and they were $1.49 a piece. And I bought 7 of these, which are called lavender picks, but I don't know why they're called that, but it's just greenery, as you can see. And then the other one I got is kind of a fern looking stuff. And I kind of like this because it's got a little bit of a yellow tinge to it, yellowy green. And it's really kind of fine and stuff. I don't know how to describe it, but I thought maybe the 2 of these, if I mixed it all together, you know, mixed pieces together and stuff and had some, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I think it's be cute. So I bought 7 of these, and they're both $1.49 each. So I spent, you know, 7 of this kind and 7 of this kind. So we'll see how that works out. But that's the other wreath that I'm planning on doing, is with these big sunflowers and with the grapevine. Now the lemon one I'm planning to do on a mesh wreath. So we'll see how that goes when I get the stuff. I'm excited. And so the only other thing, I walked around a little bit. My Walmart, they have changed it from top to bottom. I mean, everything is different. I didn't know where anything was. I was looking for like spring decor. Last year they had a whole bunch of stuff out for Mother's Day, and I didn't see any Mother's Day like gifts or anything like that. They had a bunch of like floral arrangements and things of that nature, you know, fake ones, but they had all kinds of stuff. This year I don't see any of that yet, but of course I wasn't looking in the right spots. I'm not sure, because it was all completely switched around where things are, and I just, you know, I was like, where is what I'm looking for? But anyways, I did find a little bit of decor that I guess is going to be for summer. They have some that is the Pioneer Woman, and that she had some decor. Of course, they had a little bit of the spring stuff left, but it was pretty picked over. But this looks like summer that's coming in now, and some 4th of July, but not much 4th of July. So this is the sign I picked up. I was looking for something to go out on my little half porch over here by my kitchen, because I have decorated a little bit, not really for summer, just kind of got something out there, so I'm not thinking it looks so blah and boring, but this would look perfect with what I got going on that side of the house. So I thought it was really cute. It's a little red truck, and of course it's got these little flowers in it. It's all metal, or maybe this is, yeah, it's metal, you know, and look up in the back, they're yellow. I almost like that color better. They're brighter. Anyway, so they got little flowers in the back, and it says, "Let's go for a ride." And it's just a red truck. Look at the tires. You know, it's just super cute. It has a little hook up here to hang it with. And it's Pioneer Woman. And I think it was like $13.98, so it wasn't cheap, and it's metal, all metal. But I'm going to be hanging that out there, and then I will give you a little tour of my porch, how I've got that decorated right now, and then what I've done with the front porch. I've kind of brought it back to its farmhouse look, but I added a little bit extra here and there. So I'll do that video soon for you. But anyways, this will be hanging out there by the porch. Anyways, so there, I wanted to share you a little bit of what I got planned. So I'll be bringing you some videos. I still have my sister's floral arrangements to do. I finally got all the foam down in the container, and I painted the container a different color. And I've got the, like the mossy stuff put down in there. So I'm ready to go. I just need to sit down and make it. And then I have a couple of bows I want to make, some patriotic stuff. And so we'll be doing those. And then, of course, like I said, I'm going to do a little tour of my front porch and my little side porch. And then hopefully I'm going to get out, hopefully, because Friday, like I said, they're going to start letting us go out. Now, they do want us to wear masks and stuff, but I want to get out and get some flowers for my flower pots and stuff outdoors. So I want to get it all looking nice, get some hanging baskets, things like that to dress up the porch a little bit. and then I'll do my little tour. So I hope you'll be watching. Thank you, all of you, all my current and lovely, friendly subscribers. It's always so good to see you. And anyone who's new, hi, I'm so glad to have you. And if you're just watching for the first time, I hope you give me a thumbs up and you'll click that bell and be subscribed to my channel. I would love it. I love being on YouTube. I love sharing my making of wreaths and flower arrangements and decorating. And I think maybe a little bit of cooking now. And then I just love this friendly little talk we get to have every so often. So y'all take care. Love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.